akuchigwe rinopisa. Panguva inoitana kuti kotaurwa mavariants ezvakasiyana siyana pamusoro pe the visit yakaitwa yesterday nema-service chiefs vakomana ve-Joint Operation Command ma-retired generals ku-Brigade Farm. Panguva inoyi, ma-warnings also they are being sent to these generals vachinzi, yes, we are accepting this cap 3, but we are just giving you another practical example. Ema 2017 generals na VP Constantino Chiwenga, they have learned, and as you can see, VP he has never attended the Brigade Farm just because he know people he is working with. Sada pina mashukubula kwa pana retired Lieutenant General Sonskauke Mapranga and subscribe or like on the video icon. Anamudanyira chiti, fellow generals and the war veterans. Massive bribes from Emerson Mnangagwa by only temporary silence. His plan is clear: retire every war veteran in the army. This year, fact, not rumor. He betrayed VP Chiwenga and has already assassinated 52 generals who installed him in 2017. Do not be next. Your oath is to the Constitution, not to one man. Stay vigilant. Domashwana Topana retired Lieutenant General Winston Shakauke Mapranga, so Murkona ish. And post this picture Murkona, I will never commander, my service chiefs power chete, never gonna JOC Brigade Farm. Chitiko CHAMISA yesterday, just because day before yesterday, Matinyara made another post. Vanhu panguva ine Matinyara vanokomona semunhu anongovavata kana semunhu anokupenga nokutaura zvinhu zvemusoro wake achiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika anoda kusangana these retired generals nema-7 generals that time this month. Panguva ine vanhu vakati Matinyara maybe arongozama kuda kungoita maviews and the likes, but people they were shocked vachitoona reality ichiprevela paBrigade Farm. Pinda comment section videos of grow anybody pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, continue to on the bell icon.